The city sleeps in shades of blue. Another quiet night without you. A silent echo in this empty room, chasing shadows in the afternoon. But I still feel you here. Oh, I still hold you near. And we run through fields of yesterday delight, holding on to a dream with all our might. Like we fire burning, ever so bright, we'll find our way back through the endless night. I trace the lines upon a photograph, remembering the sound of your laugh. A promise whispered on a summer breeze, scattered now just like the autumn leaves. And we run through fields of yesterday's light, holding on to a dream with all our might. Like a fire burning, ever so bright, we'll find our way back through the endless night. Through the dark, through the rain, we will break these chains. Run through fields of yesterday's light, so far away, on to a dream with all our might. Like a fire burning, ever so bright, we'll find our way back through the endless night. Through the endless night. Ooh.